Those songs like early in the springtime as we round up the doggies.
They rope them, they brand them, and they bob off their tail.
Then they round up the horses and load up the chuck wagon.
Then they throw those little doggies right out on the trail.
Whoopie-tie-yo, get along, little doggies. Your misfortune and none of my own.
Whoopie-tie-yo, get along, little doggies. Know that Wyoming will be your new home. Now we're starting slow, but it's a cattle drive, so it's probably a good thing to start slow. But you guys have a part. You can do this on the table, so you just, like horses, Or you can do it with your mouth.
See them tumbling down, pledging their love to the ground. Lonely but free I'll be found, drifting along with the tumbleweeds. Okay, come on, make some noise on those tables, like they're a horde of horses or herd. Here we go. Rolling, 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 oh my butt is swollen. Them doggies rolling right through wind, rain, and weather, hell bent for leather, wishing my gal was by my side. All the things I'm missing, good vittles, love, and kissing, be waiting at the end of my ride. Move on,
Hit 'em up,
hit 'em up,
move 'em on,
move on,
hit 'em up,
ride, count 'em out,
ride 'em in,
ride 'em in,
count 'em out,
count 'em out, ride 'em in, ride. Yeah. Okay, just a drum solo. Let me hear you guys. Get those tables going. Oh, rock and roll. Well, I come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee.
Louisiana for my true love paradise. I went to space.
It rained all night the day I left. The weather, it was dry.
That sun so hot I froze to death. Susanna, don't you
Everybody.
cry.
Oh, Susanna, now don't you cry for me. We come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. Oh, Susanna, now don't you cry for me. We come from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. You're gonna know this one. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken, and I hung my head and I cried. Now just you are my sun. Come on, this side too. She'll be coming round that mountain. She comes, yeehaw! Oh, you guys just got kicked off.
That's
Come on.
it. We're starting over.
We need a yeehaw, okay? Okay, we're starting over. Early in the springtime when they round up. Oh,
Well, you could have gone all the way back to the beginning
okay.
of the show. So.
Are we ready? Yeehaw, yo,
Yeehaw.
yahoo. Here we go. She'll be coming round that mountain. She comes. Yeehaw! She'll be coming round that mountain when she comes. Yeehaw! She'll be coming round that mountain. She'll be coming round that mountain. She'll be coming round that mountain when she comes.
I've been driving 6-foot horses when I come, whoa back. I've been driving 6-foot horses when I come, whoa back. I've been driving 6-foot horses, yep, driving 6-foot horses. I've been driving 6-foot horses when I come, whoa back.
Woke up this morning on the ocean trail with a rope in my hand and a cow by the tail. Come a tie, yippee, 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 yay. Come a tie, yippee, yippee, yay. Old MacDonald had a farm. I'm losing this side. Can you guys hear us okay? Okay.
Honey, you lost that side a long time ago. Mine's over here picking up the slack. They're like so relaxed and chill. They're just like, could be the honey buckets. I don't know.
I'll slow it down. It takes me an hour and a half to watch 60 Minutes too. So, old MacDonald had a farm. And on that farm we had a cow. With a moo-moo here and moo-moo there. Here, moo, there, and moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam.
You're cleaning that house on your own.
Where some is heard a scourging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day.
No,
This is
they're
when
not.
this is when you wave your cell phones up in the air. Okay. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word. I'm sorry, the rock and roll days came back to me. Okay, they're gone. they left, okay. And the skies are not cloudy all day. Okay, I'm back here. I'm here. I'm with you.
Really? I don't think so. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can you hear the whistle calling?
Toot, toot.
Rise up so early in the morning.
Toot, toot.
Can you hear the whistle blowing?
Toot, toot.
Dinah, blow your horn.
Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Oh, oh. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo and sing fee-fi fiddle-i-o, fee-fi fiddle-i-o, oh, 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 fee-fi fiddle-i-o.
I totally saw you take a huge deep breath right before you let out that O. I'm not even going to attempt to keep up with that.
Strumming on the old banjo. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Islands, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I went walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. What did it say? This land was made for you and me. Come on, help me out. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Islands, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. Well, do you guys love Cottage Grove? Do you love your state, Oregon? Do you love United States of America? Would you stand up with us as we sing this song? This way we get a standing ovation. My friend Woody Guthrie wrote this one. Sing it loud and proud, folks. Here we go. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Islands, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and just you this time. Here we go. This land is. All right. This land was made for you and me. It's true. This land was made for you and me. You and me. All right. God bless you.
Thank you,
very
God,
much,
and God
Grove.
bless. It's wonderful to see you all again.
Remember, we still have free $10